Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss it when you hit that high. Wake me up before you go. 'Cause I'm not planning on going solo. Wake me up before you go. Take me dancing tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to Curls and Squats. It's your girl Madison, and today we are talking all about how to wake up early. When it comes to waking up early, the first thing you have to decide is what time you want to wake up. From that point on, I like to determine what's going to give me 8 hours of sleep. So if I'm waking up at 4 o'clock, I'm going to go to bed around 8. And then when I choose 8 o'clock as my sleep time, I plan an hour ahead of that, so 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. is what I call my winding down time, and today that's what we're kind of going to go over, what I do in that hour before I go to bed. The first thing I do in the hour before bedtime is I check my alarms to make sure that they're set for the morning when I need to wake up. If I have a client at 5 a.m., I do not want to be late, so I'm going to make sure that I have alarms set probably every 10 to 15 minutes from 4 to 4:30 or 4:45 when I have to leave the house. After my alarms are set, I'll check my social medias one last time before I put my phone on Do Not Disturb. I always sleep with my phone on Do Not Disturb because I'm not going to wake up in the middle of the night to take a call from anybody, and I don't want to be prompted to do so. Once I'm done with my phone, I'm going to turn it over so the light is facing away from me, and I might have my TV on or I'll be reading a book. Everything will be at a very low volume, the lighting will be low in the room, and I'll typically have my favorite candle lit, which is a very relaxing scent, or I'll be drinking a bedtime tea or a caffeine-free tea. That's what I focus on spending my time doing in the last hour before I go to sleep. Things that'll help me relax and calm down and take my mind off of everything that's going on throughout the day, because the last thing I want to do is be stuck staying up late thinking about things that I can't even change in the middle of the night. So of course, the hour before you go to sleep is very important, but there are also things throughout the day that become equally important when it comes to your sleep schedule. Number one is making sure you stay hydrated. Hydration keeps your blood flowing at an even steady pace and helps regulate your body temperature. Coming back to your body temperature, if you shower in the evening, you want to make sure you do it before that hour before bedtime, because a hot shower can elevate your body temperature and your body wants to be cool when it's sleeping. I also like to make sure before I go to bed all of my clothes are laid out for the day ahead of me, and I mean everything. From my shirt, my pants, anything underneath that, my socks, shoes, headbands, everything is laid out and ready to go so that in the morning I have time to do the things that I need to get done before I have to leave the house, and I'm not rushing or scrambling, and I feel so prepared when I go to sleep that waking up in the morning is not even that big of a deal. And of course, no video about waking up in the morning would be complete without me telling you kind of what I do in the morning. So before I go to bed, of course, I put my phone on Do Not Disturb, and then when I'm getting up, I'm going to get out of the bed 100% feet on the ground before I pick my phone up. I'm not going to check anything other than to turn off my alarms in the morning, because if I check my phone before I get out of bed, I'm going to be late. I could wake up 30 minutes before I'm supposed to, get on my phone, and I'm going to be late. I like to save checking my phone for the time that I have my coffee in the morning, because it gives me a chance to just kind of wake up, drink some water, and then get my mind clear before I get into the chaos of the day. So that's how I wake up early in the mornings. Like I said, it starts with the night before. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and like it. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a beat, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!